Meet the Animals, Episode 94, Giant Water Bug.
Yikes! Who are you?
I'm a giant water bug. Giant water bugs are insects. Where do you live? We live in all over the world. We like forests and grasslands. You're a good swimmer, right? Yes, giant water bugs are swimming. And we swim to groups. What do you eat? We eat bugs. Sometimes we eat turtles, ducklings, and snakes. Do you have any enemies? Yes, wasps and ants like to eat us. Sometimes we kill us. How do you protect yourself? We use our venom in the bug world. We can even attack people. Are you dangerous? We are very dangerous. But we scene's over in the attack. It's time for a swim now. Goodbye. See you later, giant water bug.